Hey learners, as you can see, this is a mechanical ventilator with multiple sensors on board. I'll show you how does this operate first. Then we will talk about the description. So as you can see, we have got a motor and a motor driver as well. We have a controller with a DHT sensor, which is digital humidity and temperature sensor. We also got a pulse sensor, which is going to give you the pulse rate of human body. And we are not just displaying this on a computer, and we are also sending this through cloud and showing it on our mobile phone as well, so which is a complete IoT product. As you can see, let me operate this and show you how does this operate. When I turn on my mobile phone, when I open my app, you can see there are two readings over here. One is your humidity, which is your room temperature, and as well as a humidity value, which is of that particular room. And we have got a sensor which will be giving you pulse value. When you place your hand on the top of it, you can see the pulse will start getting triggered. So when I put my hand over here, the pulse will get started. As you can see, the pulse is being started over here, and this is a real-time value. Okay, there is no time lag between them. So the pulse is being changed, and you can notice the heartbeat of the body. And you can see when I just turn this on, the motor will start rotating. Okay, this motor is being used to push oxygen, and we have an ambu bag over here. This bag will be used to put over here, which will be able to actually move this, and we will be able to push the oxygen. So let me just show you that as well. So when I put it here, you'll be able to see this can be altered, and we'll be able to rotate it and push the air through this outlet. So when the air is coming out of this outlet, we can make use of a pipeline with which we'll be able to get the oxygen out, and we will be able to put it into the mask as well. So we have got an oxygen bag over here, and we have got this motor which can also be speed altered. You can change the speed over here. You can see that if I keep on increasing this value, you will be able to notice the motor speed will also change. So when I reduce this, you can see the motor speed would be reduced. So this is a complete IoT based oxygen pushing method, and we call this as a IoT based mechanical ventilator system with multiple sensors embedded inside a single piece. Thank you.